Now I'm at Broadwater, and there's a whole lot of moor hens over here. And you see, there's one that was just cold. They're all trying to hide from me. There's 3 there. See the way their tails flick up? And then we've got some beautiful swans. Where are they? There you go. Oh, he's giving me a wave. Isn't that nice? His mate's over here. Where is she? There she is, in the reeds. Here's some more moor hens. I think they'd be used to people here. There's another one there. That's a young one there, I think. Yes. Just met a fisherman, young guy, fishing for pike. But no matter what size they are, he throws them all back in again. And here we've got mallards, swans, coots, and moor hens. This is the part that Eileen and I got to before, so I'm going along here to see what else there is today. What a beautiful day. Although it was frosty, from the train I could see it was frosty. Well, there's some of the cygnets that I took photographs of before. Oh, aren't they wonderful? So I'm going along to see if I can see them. Sometimes you can't, sometimes there's trees in the way, so take the opportunity when we see them. Oh. They're coming my way, actually. Maybe we'll just stay here. Oh, here they are, in a line. There's Mummy leading. Oh yes, we got these ones before. And then there's 1, 2, and then Daddy, and then another cygnet. I think this must be moorhound heaven. Here's our swans. Look how many moorhens are over there, just in that little area. So far, I reckon I've seen about 30. That's that I've seen. Bound to be more that I haven't seen. It's a lovely place for them. And a wonderful day. Did you hear that? Oh. Here's 2 ducks that have mated, but not pure ducks. Some more. There's a mallard female away over there, I think. Oh, here's the swans coming. What are they doing? Flying. Oh, my goodness. I think they're following me. The 3 cygnets. More coots. Gosh, what a lovely day. Triplet. This one here thinks I've got too close. Nice, stuck in the weed. Oh, he's given up. Here's a little collection of mallards. And here's our cygnets again. And coots. Just peeping out there. Can you see? Its head, white, black, and then a white. And then there's the 2 other cygnets. There's a nice mallard there. Lovely heads at this time of the year. Greeny, purpley.